Hello everyone, join me now, if you will, for a very special unboxing of the long box edition of Pandemonium by The Time. I think this is their, or was their final album. I can't remember, but I got lucky on eBay and found this for not too inexpensive a price. Still sealed. I can't believe it. I don't think it's even been resealed. Security tags removed there. There's the long track listing. I don't know if anyone who's watching is old enough to remember when long boxes filled the record shops in America. They were never a thing in the UK, which makes me very sad, because I remember how exciting it was to go and flick through the long box CDs, which is what this is. I believe I looked into it a little bit, and I believe some of them, they sometimes do promotional long box releases for CD, but other than that, they are sadly extinct, as far as I'm aware. But anyway, let's take the cellophane off and have a look. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I've never bought a long box before, although I have seen them when I was in America. I didn't know that the CD was down the bottom and not up at the top, which I have already ruined, sadly. I don't know whether to keep it in a long box or not. I might do, but I'm not sure. And now you can't pull it out. There we go. Now the CD itself is not sealed, which is a bit odd. Oh my god. Look, they've hacked a piece. They've clearly hacked a piece right out of the CD case. Unbelievable. That's security gone a bit too far, I feel. But there we go. This contains some tracks that Prince, he did record for himself, but then he just gave to this album for The Time. His ones I know off the top of my head. He did Jerk Out number 4. He definitely did Chocolate, I know that one. That's from about, I think he recorded that in 83 or 84. And Databank, that's, I think, either the 1999 sessions or the Purple Rain sessions, or sessions in between 1999 and Purple Rain. Databank, the Prince version, is a really cool song because it's got the it's got a really strong bass line, which you don't get, sadly, in this one, because released in 1990, that was a time where Prince thought, oh, I have to blend in to sell more records and make more kind of tinny sounding music, which in my opinion was a mistake, because Prince should have stuck to being Prince, in my humble opinion. But nevertheless, I'm really happy to finally have this album on CD, because I own all the other Time CDs, which I actually bought in America. And this is from America. It's not a UK release. Well, as you can tell from the long box. Long boxes are really exciting because, as you can see, they give you an album's length of artwork, but on CD quality. And longevity as well. So there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed my little unboxing. I'm very excited to finally have this Time album, the Time album, to complete my collection. Hope you have enjoyed. See you next time.